So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel APS TECH. Today we have this MagSafe charger for iPhone. So let's unbox this. Okay, this came directly from Apple to their online stores. So here is another packaging inside, invoice. Let's keep this aside. So here's another packaging. Let's open this also. Yeah, they're using paper, not plastics. So this is the bubble wrap. Here's the MagSafe charger. It came like this. So let's keep this aside. Invoice. So nothing else here. So here's the charger. As you can see this, it requires Type-C port for the adapter. So let's open this thing. Here's the seal. So let's open the seal. Okay, here we got some manuals. Okay, yeah, so here's the charger and the cable inbuilt to it, which connects to the 20-watt adapter that Apple is providing for 1900. This I got for 4500. So let's take this out. Yeah, okay, now let's take this out. Okay, here I got the charger. Yeah, steel finish. As you can see this, heavy quality. This is the cable with Type-C port which plugs into that adapter. So let's try this thing. So I've connected this charger to the adapter, the 20-watt Apple official adapter. And let's check this on this 12 Pro Max. So okay, it has been connected. I have tested this. It charges pretty well at very good speed. Doesn't feel like the wireless charging is slow. It is connected like this with a magnet. Very hard to pull out, as you can see. Let's try the Spigen case as well. Okay, I will try it with this case. So let's put the phone on the case. Okay, now it also charges properly, but the magnet is now less effective here, but still it's connected well, as you can see. Okay, so for more videos, please like, share, subscribe my channel APS TECH. Peace.